The Trilene knot's been around for a long time. If you've ever bought some line from the fishing brand Trilene, then you've probably either noticed this knot demonstrated on the back of the box, or maybe even a piece of paper within the box that unfolds and shows you how to do it. It's just a modified version of the clinch knot, and there's one little step that, in my opinion, makes this a much better knot and stronger than the clinch knot. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to run our line through our eyelet, and then we're going to run it again a second time through the eye of the hook. Giving yourself 6 to 8 inches of tag in. We're going to hold that loop with our thumb in place, pull with our other hand, and then we're going to wrap our tag in 4 to 5 times with thicker line, 6 to 10 with thinner line. That's number 3, number 4, and number 5. And then we're going to take our tag in. We're going to go right through that loop. Now you're going to want to hold that tag in, and then we're going to pull ever so slightly on the main line. Before you clinch it all the way, cinch it all the way, we're going to wet this line, okay? And then we're just going to pull our main line all the way. And that, my friends, is the Trilene knot. Go ahead and cut that tag in. And you are ready to fish. All right, hit the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.